In this tutorial, we are discussing about the importance of Java bytecode. So, what is Java bytecode? Java bytecode is the instruction set for the Java virtual machine. It acts similar to an assembler, which is an alias representation of a C++ code. As soon as a Java program is compiled, Java bytecode is generated. In more apt terms, Java bytecode is the machine code in the form of a.class file. Hence, Java bytecode, we can say that it is an instruction set for the Java virtual machine and it is generated after the Java program is compiled and it is in the form of .class file. With the help of Java bytecode, we achieve the platform independence in Java. So, how does it work? When a Java program is executed, the compiler compiles that piece of code and a bytecode is generated for each method in the program in the form of .class file. We can run this bytecode on any platform as well, but the bytecode is a non-runnable code that requires or relies on an interpreter. This is where JVM plays an important role. The bytecode generated after the compilation is run by the Java virtual machine. Resources required for the execution are made available by the Java virtual machine for smooth execution, which calls the processor to allocate the resources. Here is a Java diagram in which you clearly understand how Java bytecode works. First of all, we write a program in Java and we can save the source code in the .java file. Then we compile that code. After writing the Java compiler, after compiling that code, it generates a bytecode of that source file and the bytecode is in the form of .class file, and this bytecode is easily run on any platform, and these features make the Java platform independent. Here we can see it clearly that .class file will be run on Windows JVM, run on Linux JVM, run on Mac JVM, and it doesn't require any other thing to run on other platform. So this bytecode makes the Java platform independent. Here are some things, that is what is the difference between the bytecode and machine code. The main difference between the machine code and the bytecode is that the machine code is a set of instructions in machine language or binary which can be directly executed by the CPU. We can also know that machine code are those codes which are in the form of binary, that is which are in the form of 0 or 1. While the bytecode is a non-runnable code, it is generated by compiling a source code that relies on an interpreter to get executed. Yes, after compilation, we have to wait for the interpreter to execute our Java program. Without execution, we can't get our result. Here are some advantages of bytecode. First one is, it helps in achieving platform independence, which is one of the reasons why James Gosling started the formation of Java. The set of instructions for a JVM may differ from system to system, but can all interpret the bytecode. Yes, we can write different system to system, we can write different instructions from system to system, but the bytecode interpret is same for all the systems. And bytecodes are non-runnable codes that rely on the availability of an interpreter, and this is where JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, comes into play. It is a machine level language code that runs on the Java virtual machine. It adds portability to Java, which resonates with the saying write once, run anywhere. Not only the platform independence, it also makes the Java language portable. So these are the benefits of Java bytecode. Thank you.